Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my this particular video, I am going to discuss some very interesting quiz question. Okay, as soon as each new question will come, you pause the video, try to think about the correct answer, and then check the correct answer whatever I will be explaining. Okay, like this you can evaluate your understanding also simultaneously, right? So here comes the first question, and the question is: support vector machine SVM classifier belongs to a class of option A tree-based model, option B neural networks, option C linear models, option D nearest neighbor based. Right? Pause and try to think. So the correct answer is obviously linear model, right? I have discussed you the separating hyperplane we require linear separator. If we are not getting linear separator in a particular dimension, which is suppose lower dimension, so what we do using some kernel trick, we convert that data to some higher dimensional plane where data points belonging to different class are linearly separable, right? So the option is correct answer is option C. Okay, congratulations to you if you have predicted this correctly. If not, no problem, you can go and check my previous videos related to SVM, or you can check some other video tutorials also, because in internet lots of very good tutorial from NPTEL, from Coursera, from Udemy are available. You can go and explore. Okay, coming to the next question: what model was most probably used to produce such decision surface? Color from white to purple shows predicted probability for the point to be a class red. Okay, and the options are linear model, random forest, KNN, decision tree. So the correct answer is obviously KNN, right? Because see, that's why for this type of question you need to understand the visualization part also, whatever I have discussed for each algorithm in my previous video, right? Obviously linear model it is not possible because boundaries are not linear. Decision tree random forest not possible because the decision boundaries are not parallel to axis. Then obviously random forest also cancels because random forest is basically multiple decision tree. Okay, KNN obviously left answer, so KNN is the answer, right? Coming to the next question: what model was most probably used to produce such decision surface? Color from white to purple shows predicted probability for a point to be a class of red. Okay, here again same four option: KNN, decision tree, linear model, random forest. So the correct answer is correct, linear model, because if it cannot be KNN, because KNN have not this kind of smooth boundary, it has a distorted kind of shape. Decision tree random forest not possible because in case of decision tree the decision boundary should be parallel to axis. So obviously linear model, and you can see the linearity pattern, right? Coming to the next question: what model was most probably used to produce such decision surface? Color shows predicted probability for a point to be class red. Okay, right. Options are linear model, KNN, random forest, decision tree. So the correct answer is correct, decision tree, obviously, because see the decision boundaries are parallel to axis, right? Y axis or X axis, whatever, right? So it should be decision tree. It cannot be random forest. You may ask why? Because in random forest also the decision surfaces are or decision boundaries are parallel to axis, but they are smooth. Okay, because multiple decision tree we are implementing in the back end of random forest. It is not like this kind of sharp. Okay, coming to the next question: what model was most probably used to produce such decision surface? Okay, again same kind of pattern, white to purple. If we are going, we are indicating probability of red class. So now again same kind of four option you can assume: KNN, linear model, decision tree, random forest. So what is the correct answer this time? Yes, random forest, because you can see that decision boundaries are parallel to axis. So either decision tree or random forest. But if it is one single decision tree, then the boundaries will be very sharp. But here you can see this, they are smooth. So that means these are random forest. That is multiple decision tree are implemented, right? So this is some question related to visualization and important question related to machine learning quiz point of view, which I wanted to discuss. This is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you.